Growing cut flowers for bouquets can bring joy and beauty to your home, and it's a rewarding way to connect with nature. Here are some tips to help you grow beautiful flowers specifically for cutting and arranging in bouquets. Choose the right flowers. Select flowers that are known for their long vase life and suitability for cutting. Some popular choices include zinnias, dahlias, sunflowers, cosmos, lisianthus, snapdragons, and sweet peas. Consider the colors and sizes that will complement each other in your bouquets. Plan for succession planting. To have a steady supply of cut flowers throughout the growing season. Plan for succession planting. Sow seeds or plant bulbs in batches at regular intervals, so you have a continuous harvest of blooms. Site selection. Choose a sunny location for your cut flower garden. Most flowering plants prefer full sun to thrive and produce abundant blooms. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil well before planting by adding organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve soil structure and fertility. Well-draining soil is essential for healthy root development. Planting and spacing. Follow the instructions on seed packets or plant labels for proper spacing and planting depth. Adequate spacing allows each plant to receive enough sunlight and air circulation for optimal growth. Watering. Provide consistent and deep watering to keep the soil evenly moist, especially during dry periods. Avoid overhead watering, as wet foliage can promote fungal diseases. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch, like straw or wood chips, to conserve soil moisture and suppress weeds. Mulch also helps maintain a cleaner environment for your cut flowers. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers from the plants to encourage continuous blooming. Deadheading redirects the plant's energy into producing more blooms rather than seeds. Support and staking. Some cut flowers, such as dahlias and delphiniums, may require staking or support to prevent their stems from bending or breaking under the weight of flowers. Fertilizing. Feed your cut flowers with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every few weeks to ensure they have the nutrients they need to produce healthy blooms. Pest and disease management. Monitor your cut flower garden regularly for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection and intervention can prevent major issues. Use organic pest control methods whenever possible. Harvesting. Harvest your cut flowers early in the morning or late in the day when the temperatures are cooler. Use sharp and clean garden shears to make clean cuts, and immediately place the cut stems in a bucket of water. Conditioning. Before arranging your cut flowers in bouquets, condition them by removing any lower leaves that might be submerged in water and cutting the stems at an angle under running water. This helps improve water uptake and extends the vase life of the flowers. By following these tips and dedicating some time and effort to your cut flower garden, you can enjoy a bountiful supply of fresh and beautiful blooms to create stunning bouquets for your home or to share with others.